Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message on WhatsApp chat using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to help you effectively manage your conversations. To begin, open your computer and launch your web browser. Navigate to whatsapp.com to access the WhatsApp web version. Once you're logged in, find the conversation that contains the message you wish to delete. Scroll through your chats to locate the specific message. To delete a message, simply tap and hold on the message you want to remove. This action will bring up a menu of options for that particular message. If you want to delete multiple messages at once, you can select additional messages before proceeding. Once you've made your selections, click on the Delete for Everyone option. By choosing Delete for Everyone, the selected message, X, will be permanently removed from the chat for all participants, ensuring that it is no longer visible to anyone in the conversation. Deleting messages on WhatsApp chat helps you maintain privacy, correct mistakes, and keep your conversations organized. Remember to exercise caution when deleting messages, as this action is irreversible once completed. Double-check your selections before confirming the deletion. Follow these steps to easily delete messages on WhatsApp chat using your PC, enhancing your communication experience and ensuring clear and secure conversations.